Here I have CAT S41, and let me show you how to check IMEI number and serial number by using a different method. So at the very beginning, let's start by using our home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer, let's activate the keypad, and let's use this code *#06# and as you can see, the IMEI number just pops up. Let's tap OK to close this window. So now it's time to check out the IMEI and serial by using a settings. So let's choose apps icon, find the settings icon, select the about phone, it's at the bottom of the list. Here you have to choose status, the second option. And as you can see here, you can read the serial number. What's more, you can also read the Wi-Fi MAC address, Bluetooth address and IP address. You can also choose IMEI information. Here you can read the IMEI number of your device. So that's it. You can go back and now use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.